Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can buy Solana using Skrill. I'm not a financial advisor, so in this video I just want to show you how you can buy Solana. We will use Skrill, one of the best crypto trading wallets nowadays. First you need registration. If you do not have, please click on the link below, and after that you can buy a lot of cryptocurrencies. You can see from the market data, you can see all the crypto which can be tradable through Skrill. It is very easy to trade. Then you can easily transfer your money in fiat in another bank accounts, or you can send to your friend in Skrill. Here you can find Solana and click trade. On the left you can see the moving of the price the last week, and so on. And here we can see buy and sell tabs. From the buy, now we'll create instant buy, so we want to buy right now. We can set conditional order, for example, when price reach a certain amount, or recurring. This is very useful when you buy dollar cost average. You buy every monthly on a special date. In this video I'll show you how you can buy instant. You can trade with your available balance, or you can spend the minimum 20 BGNs. It depends of your currency. I will trade no matter of the price, because I want to show you how you can trade. Of course, your fee is different, current exchange rate, how you spend, and what you receive. Confirm, and voila, that was all. That was the whole trade. It's very easy. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button, and follow me for more tutorials or how to buy cryptocurrency using Skrill, Neteller, and different wallets. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.